Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Tendo Jackie. So this is going to be our new place. Me and my husband, we are moving in, but it is still under renovation. So I just passed by to check and see how everything is going. They're painting and putting a few things together. That is our small kitchen, starter kitchen. They have to renovate a few things and actually mop and clean everywhere. So this is where I'm going to be living with my husband. So now heading to the bedroom. This is our bedroom, also being painted and renovated. Yeah. So now heading to the toilet and bathroom. This is a bathroom and toilet. A lot has to be done: cleaning, changing that toilet old seat, changing this old shower to a better shower. That is our sink, our simple sink just down there, and this soap whatever also has to be repaired. Yeah, that is it basically. So this is our starter apartment, starter house that I'm going to be living in with my husband. We are just two, no kids yet. So this is just enough for us. I can't wait for what God has for the both of us. Yeah. So this is our new toilet seat and new shower. I can't wait to see how it's going to look like when it's placed there already. Yeah, house still under renovation, so it's taking like about 1 day and we are shifting the next day. So that's me having a break. I had to stay around the house to see how everything was being done because we had to shift the following day. So this is the following day. Everything is clean. The place has been mopped and cleaned and ready to be moved in. So this is our simple sitting area. And that's the kitchen area, simple and clean too. Yeah. So heading to the bedroom. So that's our bedroom. It's also done and ready to have us in. So now heading to the bathroom. That's our bathroom. The toilet seat has been placed. That's our new shower. It really looks nice. Yeah, everything is done. Now heading back, we have to organize our stuff, put everything together so that we can move in today. This is our simple neighborhood. Yeah, and that's me. I was so tired with this hair. So now we actually moved in this very day. So this is how everything looks like. Enjoy the video. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. I'm now settled. I'm going to be uploading. Expect really nice content from me. I'm going to be uploading once a week. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.